Hey guys, it's time to talk about the next big thing from Huawei, the Huawei Mate 20. This is going to be the ultimate Galaxy S10 rival phone. Previously, we talked about how it's going to be the most powerful Android phone of 2018 thanks to the new Kirin 980 processor, different triple camera design. It's right in the center with this rectangular shape. I think it's a very different implementation, and I think the real product will look good compared to the render. Again, let me know what you think about this positioning of the triple cameras. Now, there will be a Mate 20 Pro as well with a bigger notch and no chin design. According to all leaks, the Mate 20 Pro will have a 6.2, pretty amazing. You're still getting the headphone jack on the Mate 20 series, which you missed on the P20 series. And lastly, the battery also surpasses the battery of the Galaxy Note 9. It's coming at 4200 mAh, 2.5-inch display with a 6.8mm notch, a little bit smaller than the iPhone 10, and also it'll have a little bit smaller chin than the iPhone 10. Pretty much no chin. It's gonna push the chin in the actual bezel, which is something that only Apple has done so far. But it seems like Huawei will be joining the no chin squad. Now again, both models have notch. The Mate 20 Pro has a bigger notch but no chin, and the Mate, which is going to be the first 7nm chip inside a smartphone. And now we actually have the first look at the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro thanks to XDA. Along with that, we also have the full leak specification. So first up, the Mate 20 is having a water droplet notch. Similar to the recent Oppo phone, this is the best notch implementation also present. And overall, guys, this may very well be one of the best phones of the year. It might actually be the best Android phone this year. As far as the latest and the greatest specification, 20 has a smaller notch but a bigger chin. But I think the defining difference between these two phones will going to be the ultrasonic fingerprint reader, which will probably be exclusive to the Pro model. So the non-Pro model will have the fingerprint scanner on the back below the camera sensor. And the Mate 20 Pro will also going to have a 3D facial scanner, which is why we have this big notch. Now, I say that it's a Galaxy S10 rival because the triple cameras are already here, and the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner will be implemented on this phone before the Galaxy S10, along with the 7nm Kirin 980 chipset. Is the best Android phone of 2018 as far as the latest tech is concerned. Now, here are its specs courtesy of xda.com. Actually comes with Android 9.0 Pie right out of the box, which is only a bigger battery but also a 7nm chip, which is more efficient. Again, we'll see about that when we do the testing. Now, the triple camera system will probably be the same as the Huawei P20 Pro, but the video features like the stabilized 4K footage, 4K 60 FPS, a super slow-mo will finally be added because of the powerful Kirin 980 chipset. The wireless charging is optional, I would say. It is super small, and I think it's the best we can have right now. Now, there is still a huge chain at the bottom of the phone, at least with the Mate 20 model, and there is no sign of the fingerprint reader up on the front, so you can expect it on the back as seen in the live leaks of the Mate 20. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanner will be exclusive to the Mate 20 Pro model. Looking at the back, we have a totally are concerned. I'm actually looking forward to that ultrasonic fingerprint scanner inside the Mate 20 Pro, along with the 7nm chip and that beefy 4200 milliamp hour battery. I'm definitely looking forward to the Mate 20 family. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, what you think about the Mate 20 and the Mate 20 Pro, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.